the depths of the ocean still hold many secrets yet to be uncovered. Who would have thought that exploring the icy waters of the Arctic Ocean would reveal some of the most bizarre discoveries? Planet Earth is a treasure trove of hidden secrets, with humankind having explored only a fraction of them. The oceans undoubtedly hold many of these astonishing mysteries, compelling scientists to venture into unimaginable depths to uncover them. From discovering life in the freezing Antarctic waters to the latest shocking revelations about the Arctic Ocean, a team led by Elon Musk has made groundbreaking findings. In today's episode of Fact Epics, we will delve into Elon Musk's reveal of what the Navy saw while diving in the Arctic. Let the truth be revealed. Arctic versus Antarctic dynamics. The Arctic Ocean, in the North Pole of Earth, is covered by a thin layer of ice sheets, devoid of any continents. In contrast, the situation at the southern pole, where Antarctica lies, is quite different. Antarctica is a continent blanketed by a thick ice cap, despite the temperatures remaining extremely cold. When comparing these polar seas, the Arctic emerges as the most sensitive to climate change. All the oceans on our planet are interconnected through biological processes, such as upwelling, downwelling, and the biological pump. These processes facilitate the transportation of nutrients throughout the oceans and within different ocean layers. Challenges and secrets of ocean exploration. Exploring the deep layers of the ocean poses immense challenges due to the combination of great pressure and extreme cold temperatures. These harsh conditions lead us to question the possibility of life existing in such drastic environmental circumstances. As one delves deeper into the ocean, both pressure and temperature levels escalate to extremes. Beyond approximately 300 feet from the surface, the pressure intensifies, surpassing human endurance levels. Venturing further into the depths, the pressure becomes so immense that it can crush human bones, while temperatures continue to plummet to even colder extremes. The ocean is a vast reservoir of immense resources, making it worth the risk to explore its depths. Many exploration companies, equipped with advanced technology, have embarked on missions to uncover the ocean's resources. Yet, exploration in the Arctic and Antarctic oceans remains challenging due to the extreme cold in those regions. There's another thing to consider. While famous companies engaged in space exploration often share their significant discoveries with the world, information about ocean exploration research is often kept confidential. What could be the reason behind this? Some speculate that unlike space, which is beyond the reach of many people, the ocean is more accessible. This secrecy could stem from concerns about national security, profitability, or even environmental considerations. Beneath Antarctica's ice layers. For a considerable time, Antarctica has been at the forefront of scientific research, often involving collaborations with nuclear-powered military vessels to explore the hidden depths of its oceans. The discoveries made have consistently astonished researchers, particularly with the revelation of life thriving in such harsh conditions. In one remarkable instance, geologist James Smith and his team endeavored to obtain a sediment sample from the sea floor. Their method involved melting nearly 20 tons of ice to create a hole through which they could penetrate the ice layers. As they inserted the sediment collector into the hole, which extended more than 3,000 feet below the surface, they encountered an unexpected obstacle, a solitary boulder. What lay beyond this obstruction was truly astonishing, a flourishing ecosystem teeming with life. Their team was responsible for this remarkable discovery. Not only did they find a microbial mat covering the rock, but they also encountered sponges and various other small marine animals. The existence of life in such harsh conditions is indeed surprising, yet nature continually reveals its capacity to defy our expectations. Also, numerous creatures and microorganisms have adapted to survive in similarly extreme environments, including those with higher temperatures, such as hot springs, and environments with high salt concentrations. Arctic Ocean revelations. When it comes to the Arctic ice layers, which typically have a thickness ranging from 1 to 3 meters, they are notably more sensitive to global climate changes compared to Antarctica. Also, the temperature in the Arctic tends to be several degrees higher than in Antarctica. Initially, Musk and his team focused their studies on microscopic microfossils found in sediments. Further research has revealed the abundance of phytoplankton growth in the Arctic Ocean, with some studies suggesting that this growth may even surpass that found in other oceans. Blooms occurring under the ice serve as additional confirmation of how global climate changes are impacting the polar ice regions of Earth. But how can phytoplankton thrive in icy waters? This question has raised concerns among researchers. They speculate that the rising temperatures are leading to the melting of ice sheets, allowing sunlight to penetrate through the ice layers. It's as if Earth's icy poles are no longer as icy as they once were, a significant shift driven by the effects of climate change. The discovery of abundant phytoplankton in the Arctic Ocean signifies more than just an increase in primary production within the food chain. It heralds a potential shift in the entire ecosystem equilibrium. Researchers have yet to fully quantify the extent of the increase in total phytoplankton biomass, indicating a fundamental change in nutrient cycling within the oceans. This alteration extends to the levels of carbon, nitrogen, and other essential nutrients critical for sustaining marine life. Furthermore, migratory species, whose movements are typically related with seasonal fluctuations in food availability, may now find their traditional migration patterns disrupted by the unexpected surge in phytoplankton growth in polar ice regions. With global warming already affecting our planet, the sudden increase in phytoplankton growth in the Arctic is just another headache we don't need. It's blowing past scientists' predictions and piling onto our environmental troubles. It's high time we rethink our industrial processes, explorations, and anything else that's heating up our planet. Let's get a bit more sustainable to save those precious polar ice caps from further harm. If you're concerned about this controversial discovery, make sure to hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Fact Epics and ring the bell icon to stay updated with more insightful global facts. Thank you for watching.